Hi guys, bonjour à tous and welcome back to my channel. My name is Romy and in today's video we are going to learn how to make this beautiful gift bag that is both understated and simple and also quite luxurious at the same time. In my last tutorial we've made this relaxing eye bag for meditation and yoga practice, and this is what we are going to wrap today. I am using brown paper because I love it and I am going to cut it 3 times as wide and 2 times as high as the gift I'm wrapping. First I am just pre-folding it with the gift inside to make sure it is the right size, and then without it I fold it properly. I'm just cutting quickly the raw edge. This way it's going to be clean and nice. And then I am going to apply some glue and glue it on the other side. We are now folding the bottom of the gift bag. I fold it at about 1 or 2 centimeters. Then I cut both corners as if it was an envelope. Getting rid of one layer, applying some more glue there, and I'm just gonna close it. There we go. Now to the exciting part of the tutorial. So make sure that you protect your table because we are going to use embossing powder. Here on the screen you have a view of the pattern that I have chosen. So I put some ink on my stamp. There we go. And I just apply it on the bottom part of the gift bag. So feel free to be very creative here. That's just the way I have decided to make it, but hey, we are all free beings. Alright, then before it is dry, you must cover it with the embossing powder. The whole pattern must be covered, so be generous and don't worry, we will not throw away the powder. So thanks to a sheet of paper, we are just going to put it back in its bottle. It actually lasts quite a long time. So here we are, and now another exciting part of the embossing process. I am turning on the heating gun and I am going to melt the embossing powder. There we are, the magic happens. I find it very beautiful. I hope you enjoy it too. Voila, it is time to finish wrapping your gift. So I'm just placing the mask inside and I am closing the top part of the gift bag, folding it once and a second time, and then I am going to use this ribbon. It is quite plain and I actually love the contrast that we're going to create with a golden pattern. This ribbon actually has a sentimental value to me. It belonged to my grandfather, who was working in a silk factory in Lyon, in France, who happens to be a very famous place for silk factories before the Second World War. So when orders were placed, they used to wrap the fabric with it. I like it. So back to today and our tutorial. Excuse me for that. We are going to make a double bow, and then I'm just going to curl both edges with the scissors. After that, I thought it was too common and I decided just to cut it short. Yes, I think it's more delightful this way. More special. Alright. This tutorial is done. C'est terminé. So if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, share this video around you, and don't be shy to leave me a comment or a questions. I'd be happy to help you out, or just, to say hi. Bye bye! À bientôt!